Replacing the door keypad on your 2011 to 2016 Ford Super Duty involves several key steps. We'll cover the fundamentals, from tools to safety precautions. You'll need essential tools, including plastic trim tools for panel removal, Torx bits for screws, anti-static gloves for electrical safety, and a multimeter for voltage testing. For safety, always disconnect the battery to prevent accidental airbag deployment or electrical shocks. Wear anti-static gloves to protect electronic components. Disassemble the door panel using plastic trim tools. The keypad module is secured by screws and clips. Take care not to damage any wiring harnesses. The keypad connects to the vehicle's body control module via a multi-pin connector. Before replacing, check for 12 volts from the battery to diagnose any shorts or faults. Once installed, the keypad must be synchronized with the vehicle's security system. This often requires entering a factory-set code or using diagnostic software to reprogram the module. Programming the new keypad often requires a Ford IDS scan tool or a dealer visit, as it synchronizes with the vehicle's security system. While DIY methods using OBD2 adapters are available, they aren't always reliable for full programming. Aftermarket keypad kits now include weather-resistant coatings and LED indicators for better visibility, addressing common failures from exposure. A growing trend sees owners upgrading to Ford's MyKey or smartphone-based keyless entry apps, reducing reliance on physical keypads. Some aftermarket options even offer Bluetooth connectivity for remote diagnostics via mobile apps. While keypad replacements are common, they can sometimes reveal underlying electrical issues, with a significant percentage of cases involving BCM diagnostics. Replacing corroded keypads from mud or off-roading is a great example of preventative maintenance.